To talk about this case, Alexis, have you heard of a case that has gone on for this long? You're there in Florida, 11 years we're talking as far as when this first happened. And as I mentioned earlier, this isn't a cold case. This isn't a situation where they didn't have any idea who may have done it. After 2 years, prosecutors really started to put together the pieces. All of the criminal complaints named the Adelsons, but they didn't start getting charged until 2022 when Charlie Adelson was charged. Tell me your thoughts overall in this case as we are waiting for these openings to start.
Well, it is very interesting. You brought up a very good point. This isn't a cold case. This was an active case, and then they waited so long to charge. I mean, and they didn't charge everybody together at the same time, which is also interesting, and which brings up, is the daughter, Wendy, eventually going to be charged the way this is unfolding? So it is interesting how they're taking them one at a time and doing that. It's also going to be interesting who's going to come testify, who is the prosecution going to bring in, because they don't have to follow the same script that they did with the other cases, significantly the case having to deal with her son that was ultimately convicted. So it will be interesting. I don't think the son is going to come testify. However, I do think the likelihood is that the other conspirators will probably testify.